Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna do a flip through my recently finished watercolor travel sketchbook. This is an Etchr, the Perfect Sketchbook, and it is indeed the perfect watercolor sketchbook with its amazing paper. The only downside is that it's probably too good, and sometimes I feel a little bit embarrassed with my skills and it feels like I'm wasting the very good paper. But other than that, it was such a pleasure to use it. It's amazing and like quite pricey also, obviously. It's very thick, 100% cotton paper, very good quality. Anyway, I started this sketchbook very long time ago in 2021 as an occasional travel watercolor book. I have been using it for years, but not consistently, as you can tell. Mostly in my travels, and I'm not traveling like every month. So let's see how it went. This is the first spread. This is swatches of all of the supplies that I brought with me on my first travel with this sketchbook. It was travel to Sicily. It was the same watercolor set, but I changed it a bit, if you can tell, but this is what it was at the beginning. So anyway, this is the very first sketch, and this one is one of those sketches that I felt embarrassed about, but it is what it is. Anyway, so this is Sicily, my Sicily vacation in 2021. It was October, so there were some fruits on trees. That was lovely. It is Catania, some townscape. I don't remember exactly. It was very long time ago, but it was really lovely. I really like this spread. I think this is one of the best spreads in this sketchbook because you can feel the sun, you know. It was very warm, very sunny weather. This is in Catania again, and this is already in Taormina. You can feel that it was a hot and very bright day, and it was very lovely. This one I remember doing very well because it was on a kind of main place in Taormina, and I felt like I was also one of the main attractions there. There were a lot of tourists and a lot of people watching me drawing this. Somebody was even filming me drawing this. This was a lot of commenting. It was interesting. Let me put it this way. So, this spread I don't like this much. I think especially the left one, kind of a mess, but like it happens. This one is a little better, but also messy. But you kind of can tell that I was sitting at a restaurant. You know, this is an umbrella, closed umbrella, and some tree with some flowers. It was lovely, but not my best work. Anyway, this is Siracusa and some olive trees. I think that was quite a lovely boat and a sea. This is on a beach. It was a very questionable experience, to be honest, mostly because of the sand, because I was sitting on the sand and there was sand all over the paper and paints and water. It was interesting. I think I had filmed drawing this. I'll try to put the link if this video exists. I don't remember. It was a long time ago. So this is also one of my favorite spreads in the whole sketchbook. This is the facade of the building where we were living in some agriturismo nearby Siracusa. I think this is, first of all, it was a very lovely place, and I think this drawing is also nice. I like these tiny details in the vases. I think it's cute. So what's next? Okay, this is the very last sketch of that vacation. I was sitting on some stones and like there were a lot of people sitting there, so I was thinking it was fine, but then some guides came in and they started to shout at these people that we should move away. But I was already in the middle of the process of painting. So I was like, I mean, I'm sorry, but like I let me just finish it, please. And thankfully they let me finish it, but then I should like go away immediately. This is live drawing, but it was already at home. I was trying to keep drawing in this sketchbook, but then I realized that it should be just a travel sketchbook. It didn't work well. So it was on the shelf for 2 years actually, because in 2022 we didn't go on any vacation. Life happened. Yeah. So, but honestly, in 2023, I wasn't drawing that much or that good. I was feeling very, very upset and I wasn't motivated. So it was when my big art block was happening. I addressed my art block in previous videos. Huge. But anyway, we went on a vacation in Spain and I took the book with me and I tried to draw few sketches. This one and also this castle. I remember that it was like extremely hot and everything was like drying very, very fast. And I also remember that this metal thing became so hot I couldn't touch it. Okay, that was also an experience. This I actually don't remember doing, which is okay, it was 3 years ago. Some watercolor experiment. I assume it was some olive tree or something. Don't know. This one I actually remember. It's a view from the window from the place where we were living in Spain. Just a field with some trees. It's simple, but I like it. It's cute. After that, I stopped doing watercolor at all because I was in a very big art block. I still draw from time to time, but with something simple like pencils. Again, I told about that in my video about my sketchbook when I was drawing with pencils. This year came and I'm much better now. So I started to draw again, and this is my first sketches after this huge break. And you can tell it's not that good because I was trying to remember how to use watercolor again. Actually, these few sketches were made in 4 days on my travel on Dutch-German border, and I have the whole video of them. It was becoming better every day, right? So this one is not bad at all already. Then I draw a little bit outside my house, just in a little park nearby. And then we went to France on a little vacation, just a few days. I also filmed it. There is a video. So I particularly like this pine tree. It's lovely. It was so hot when I was doing this one. So hot. Horrible heat wave. So then the heat wave was over and we were in Lille. I really like this sketch, it's so fresh. I like the silhouettes of these roofs of these buildings on a like central square. So this is Lille. And this is also Lille. It's central station and one of the big cathedrals. And this is also Lille. It's not one of my favorite sketches, but some of these things are interesting too, but like it's a mess. I think the building itself is kind of cute, but this part is just weird, but it happens. It just happens. It's inevitable to make some sketches just bad. So, but I think you can tell that I'm healing and my skills are back. So this is Leiden. It's a Dutch town where I live, central Leiden, and this is a residential area part, just nearby my own house. Yeah, this is also, it's just very close to this location. And a goose. I think that goose is lovely. I like this blue here, like hints of blue and yellow and green on this. And I actually I like kind of working with the negative space. It's fun. So, and this is it. This is the last one, a pine tree, also here in Leiden. I really like this one. This is also one of my favorite sketches in this sketchbook. So this is it. I finished it. It took me so long, but at the same time, 2/3 of it I've just done in a couple of months, which is nice, and I already have new sketchbooks, several of them. So again, it's the Perfect Sketchbook by Etchr. It's really great sketchbook with the really great thick cotton paper. I can recommend it if you have a lot of money and confidence. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe because more videos to come, and goodbye.